This one is for my Nigerians in diaspora. I'm here to tell you how to make money from real estate without having to be in Nigeria at all. 1. Land investment. When you purchase a piece of land, the value tends to appreciate over time, and that way you're able to increase your ROI without having to build or do anything on the property at all. And after some time, you can either decide to sell or build on the land. 2. Short-let. As we all know, the short-let business in Nigeria is currently booming, and it's the perfect time to buy or rent a 2-bed or a 3-bed that you can put on the market and make a daily income from it over a period of time. And eventually, you can decide to sell off the property and make even more money from it. Thirdly, rental income. You can decide to build or buy a property and put it on the market for rent. That way, you get a yearly income of a certain price on your property without having to move an inch. For all of this to happen seamlessly from wherever you are in the world, you need a trusted and reliable real estate partner, and that's who we are at Albert & Wand. For more information, visit our website at www.albertandwand.com.